Picture this. The alarm clock goes off, not because you need to rush to work, but because you finally decided to wake up. You grab your coffee, sit back, scroll through your phone, and notice something incredible. Payment notifications lighting up your screen. No deadlines, no stress, just money flowing in while you live life on your terms. Sounds too good to be true? That's because most of us are conditioned to think money can only be earned by grinding 9 to 5 or chasing side hustles that drain all our energy. But what if I told you there are ways to earn money online that don't require constant effort or advanced skills? Welcome to today's video, where we'll reveal how you can create a system that makes money for you with minimal effort. No scams, no shortcuts, just smart strategies that anyone can implement. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the laziest ways to make money online. First, let's address the myth. You've probably seen countless videos and ads claiming you can make thousands overnight with minimal effort. Most of those are exaggerated or outright scams. But there are ways to earn money online without breaking a sweat, if you know the right strategies. The key to lazy income: passive income. Unlike active income, where you exchange time for money, passive income allows you to earn while doing little to no ongoing work. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow, even while you sleep. Now, let's dive into some of the laziest ways to make money online. These methods don't require advanced skills, and some of them can be set up in just a few hours. 1. Selling digital products. Digital products are a goldmine. Think of products like ebooks, printable planners, or even Canva templates. Create it once, upload it to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, and let the sales roll in. The best part? You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Don't know where to start? Use tools like Canva to design simple products, or hire a freelancer for a one-time setup. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lazy way to earn. You promote products using unique links, and every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's like getting paid to recommend stuff you already love. Pro tip: focus on products with recurring commissions, like software subscriptions. 3. Monetizing a YouTube channel. Don't feel like showing your face on YouTube? No problem. Faceless channels are booming. You can create videos in niches like top 10 lists, relaxing music, or animations. Use AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, and even visuals. 4. Print-on-demand stores. Print-on-demand is perfect for lazy entrepreneurs. You upload designs, and platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect the profits. 5. Investing in dividend stocks. Lastly, the ultimate lazy person's income source: dividend stocks. Buy shares in companies that pay dividends and enjoy quarterly payouts without lifting a finger. To make these methods even lazier, automation is your best friend. Here are some tools to help. Even lazy income requires some setup and strategy. Here are 3 tips to maximize results. 1. Consistency. Over perfection. Don't aim for perfect. Just start and refine as you go. 2. Focus on one method. Don't spread yourself too thin. Pick one method and master it before moving on. 3. Leverage free traffic sources. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest to drive traffic without spending on ads. Still skeptical? Here are some real-life examples of people earning with these methods. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, makes $1,000 per month selling printables on Etsy. John, a college student, earns $500 a month from a faceless YouTube channel. Lisa, a part-time teacher, makes $300 per month in affiliate commissions. If they can do it, so can you. To ensure success, avoid these mistakes. 1. Expecting instant results. 2. Choosing overly saturated niches. 3. Neglecting research and planning. There you have it. A roadmap to earning money online without sacrificing your time, energy, or sanity. Whether you're selling digital products, leveraging affiliate marketing, or setting up a faceless YouTube channel, The key is to work smarter, not harder. Remember, while these methods require minimal effort in the long run, the initial setup still takes a bit of planning and consistency. But once you've built that foundation, you'll have a system that works for you, even when you're not working. So, what's stopping you? Start small, take action, and watch your efforts compound over time. You don't need to quit your job or become an expert overnight. All it takes is a willingness to try. If this video inspired you or gave you some new ideas, make sure to hit that like button and share it with someone who could use a lazy income boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building passive income and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, work less, live more, and remember, making money online doesn't have to be a grind. It can be the easiest, laziest thing you've ever done.